Get through the hard times. Life will test you. There will be moments when everything feels heavy, moments when you question yourself, your future, even your strength. Maybe you worked for years at a job, gave it your loyalty, your energy, your life, and one day they tell you, you're finished. Maybe you lost something you deeply cared about. Maybe life hit you unexpectedly. Maybe you failed after giving everything you had. Now let's understand something important. That pain is real. That struggle is real. But your story is not over. I've always been deeply inspired by Les Brown and his powerful message about overcoming hard times. One thing he teaches is this: life is hard, but hard does not mean impossible. Now let's discuss greater strength. See, sometimes while you're going through difficult seasons, you don't understand why it's happening. You can't see the lesson, you can't see the purpose. But later, when you look back, you realize life was preparing you for greater strength, greater wisdom, greater opportunities. That heartbreak taught you resilience. That rejection built your confidence. That struggle developed your character. Most people run away from hard times. Most people want comfort. They want success without sacrifice. But growth does not happen in comfort. The strongest people are built during difficult seasons. And sometimes life will keep testing you until you decide to grow. Until you decide to fight back. Until you say, I will not quit. I will not surrender. I will keep going. Now let's talk about vision. But how do you survive those difficult moments? You need faith. You must believe in yourself even when nobody else does. You must believe in your abilities, your vision, your dream, because success does not always happen quickly. And that reminds me of a powerful lesson inspired by Les Brown. There is something called the Chinese bamboo tree. For 5 years, nothing appears above the ground. Every single day, it must be watered, protected, nurtured, and still, nothing happens. Most people would quit. Most people would say, it's not working. But in the 5th year, suddenly, it breaks through the ground. And within weeks, it grows nearly 90 feet tall. Now the question is, did it grow in 5 weeks or 5 years? The answer is obvious. It was growing the entire time beneath the surface. And maybe that's you right now. Maybe people don't see your progress. Maybe they laugh at your dream. Maybe they doubt your vision. But keep watering your dream. Keep learning. Keep building. Keep improving. Keep showing up. Because one day, your breakthrough will come. And when it comes, people will suddenly notice what you've been building all along. Listen carefully. The struggle is not destroying you. It is shaping you. The pain is building strength. The pressure is building character. And who you become during the journey is more important than the destination itself. One day you will look in the mirror and realize you are stronger now, wiser now, braver now. You survived what was meant to break you. So whatever you are facing right now, do not quit. Do not give up on yourself. Keep moving forward. Because hard times do not last forever, but strong people do. Now before we finish, I want you to remember something very important. If this message inspired you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Coach Mastering Academy for more motivational and personal development content. Keep practicing, keep improving, keep showing up, keep learning for growth. See you in the next lesson.